Hello everyone. Let's take a look at our starting point. A plain, small metal cup. I pour water into the cup. The hot water radiates heat quickly, making the cup hot instantly. Oh no, I can't pick it up because the handle is broken. Look at this, I have to use a piece of paper to hold the cup. This is not a convenient way, so I have an idea to make another handle. First, I'm starting with a standard metal fork. I'll carefully mark the point on the metal fork where I plan to create a small opening. I'm using a hammer to carefully flatten that section. This flattening is crucial because it creates a stable surface for the next step. Next, I'll secure the fork in a vise to keep it steady. I'm using a drill with a step bit to create a clean, precise hole through the flattened part of the handle. This hole is essential. It will eventually house our specialized heating element. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. Then, with a small drill bit, I'll drill a hole through the fork's handle. This hole will be crucial for the stability of our new tool. Using an angle grinder, I will carefully cut off the handle of the fork. This precise cut is important as it prepares the fork to hold the heating element tightly later. Moving on, I have a small wooden dowel. I'll measure and mark its center to ensure our handle is balanced. Then, securing in the vise, I'll drill a precise hole through its center. After that, I'll use a conical drill bit to widen one end of the hole slightly. This tapered opening will securely house the fork's handle, providing a comfortable grip and insulating properties. Now, for the electrical connection. I'm taking a red electrical wire and stripping a small section of its insulation to expose the copper strands. I'll then wrap this exposed wire tightly around the base of our modified fork. This ensures a strong electrical contact. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. To insulate and secure this connection, I'll wrap it completely with red electrical tape, cutting off any excess for a clean finish. With the wiring complete, I'll carefully insert the tape base of fork into the pre-drilled hole in our wooden dowel. I'll feed the wire through the handle, making sure it comes out the other end. This forms the basic structure of our soldering iron. To ensure a super strong bond between the fork and the wooden handle, I'll use a unique trick: super glue and baking soda. I apply a layer of baking soda around the joint, then saturate it with super glue. The reaction creates an instant, rock-hard adhesive. I repeat this process a few times to build up a robust and secure connection. Next, I'm inserting a small metal valve to the pre-drill hole in the fork's handle and securing it tightly with a nut. This valve will serve as a vital secondary electrical contact point, completing our circuit. Now for the remaining electrical connection. I'm taking an alligator clip and attaching them to the ends of the red wire, securing them with their respective insulating sleeves. This clip will allow us to safely connect our tool to a power source. For the heating element, I'm using the carbon rod from a standard battery. After carefully dismantling the battery to extract the carbon rod, I'll insert it into my drill. Using a sanding disc, I'll meticulously grind and sharpen one end of the carbon rod into a fine point. This sharp point will concentrate the heat, allowing for precise soldering. Once sharpened, I'll clean it thoroughly. Now for the final assembly. I'll insert the sharpened carbon rod into the valve assembly on the fork, creating our heating tip. This connection needs to be snug to ensure good electrical contact and efficient heat transfer. With this, Our DIY soldering iron is complete. I'm connecting the blue wire to the black alligator clip, ensuring another tight, insulated connection. This completes our set of custom electrical leads. The black and red insulated clips are ready to connect to a power source, enabling precise electrical work. Our power source for this ingenious tool is a 21-volt Makita battery. To connect the wires securely, I attach 2 washers to the battery terminals. I connect the red and black alligator clips to these terminals, establishing a secure and insulated circuit. Watch what happens when I touch the carbon tip to this alligator clip. See that instant glow and the way it melts the metal? This homemade tool is incredibly effective and heats up rapidly. I'll take this small metal hook and position it on the side of the metal cup. Now, with our DIY soldering iron, I'll apply the hot tip to the connection point, melting the metal and fusing the hook securely to the cup. It works perfectly. This demonstrates how simple household items can be repurposed into powerful tools with a bit of ingenuity. See how quickly it heats up, turning bright red, and then effortlessly melts through the metal, creating a perfect hole? This converted fork is incredibly effective as a precision heating and soldering tool. Our incredible multifunctional soldering iron, crafted from a simple fork and a wooden handle. This DIY device proves that with a little creativity, you can achieve amazing things and solve everyday problems. If you enjoyed this project and found it inspiring, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below telling me what other unexpected tools you'd like to see me create. Don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic DIY ideas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.